Silent footsteps. Seeing your ex with someone new. Does it hurt? Of course. But is there a way to move forward without being consumed by pain, jealousy, or self-doubt? We've all been there. That shock, that lump in your throat, that wave of emotions crashing over you when you see someone who once meant so much now with someone else. But instead of letting the pain control you, you can learn to face it in a completely different way. Through the lens of Stoicism, you'll discover how to manage your emotions, focus on what truly matters, and reclaim your inner peace. In this video, I'll guide you through a Stoic approach to dealing with this situation in the most powerful way. Watch until the end to uncover key principles that can transform the way you handle heartbreak and turn pain into strength. If you're looking for peace and personal growth after a breakup, this video is for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content on psychology, self-improvement, and Stoicism. Seeing your ex with someone new. That familiar pang in your chest, the sudden tightening in your throat. It's a universal experience, a gut punch that reminds us of loss, rejection, and perhaps a lingering sense of inadequacy. We've all been there, feeling the sting of what feels like a personal affront, a silent judgment on our worth. But what if I told you there's a different way to navigate this emotional roller coaster? A way to find peace, not through denial or anger, but through understanding and acceptance? This is where Stoicism comes in. An ancient philosophy offering practical tools to cope with life's inevitable challenges, including the difficult emotions that arise when we see an ex move on. While the sight of your ex with someone new might trigger a cascade of negative feelings, a Stoic perspective allows us to reframe the situation, to find a path to serenity amidst the storm. It's perfectly natural to feel hurt, jealous, or even angry. Don't dismiss these emotions. They are valid responses to a significant change in your life. Allow yourself to feel them, to acknowledge their presence without judgment. The crucial step, however, lies in understanding the difference between feeling and reacting. We can feel the sting of rejection, but we don't have to act on those feelings in self-destructive ways. Often, our negative emotions are fueled by cognitive distortions, skewed interpretations of reality. We might tell ourselves, "She moved on so quickly," implying a judgment on our character or worth, or "I'm not good enough," a sweeping generalization based on a single event. These are examples of common cognitive biases, shortcuts our minds take that often lead to inaccurate and unhelpful conclusions. Recognizing these distortions is the first step towards reclaiming control over our emotional responses. Stoicism offers a powerful framework for navigating these emotional currents. At its core is the concept of the dichotomy of control. We can't control external events, like your ex's new relationship, but we can control our internal world, our thoughts, judgments, and reactions. Instead of focusing on what you can't change, shift your attention to what you can control. This might involve focusing on self-improvement, pursuing your goals with renewed vigor, strengthening your relationships with family and friends, dedicating yourself to your passions. It's about investing in your own well-being, building a life rich in meaning and purpose, independent of romantic relationships. The ultimate Stoic goal isn't fleeting happiness derived from external factors, but rather the cultivation of virtue, wisdom, justice, courage, and temperance. These are the qualities that lead to true, lasting fulfillment. Acceptance of what is, acknowledging that your ex is with someone else, is crucial. Resisting reality only prolongs suffering. It's a fact, and fighting it is futile. But let's delve deeper. Let's challenge the narrative you've constructed around this situation. What evidence truly supports your negative interpretations? Are you jumping to conclusions, making assumptions based on limited information? Remember, you only see a snapshot of their relationship. You don't know the full story. The reality is, much of what you believe about their new relationship is speculation, conjecture, based on incomplete data. This highlights the futility of trying to understand every detail. Let go of the need to know. It won't bring you peace, it will only perpetuate your suffering. Focus on what you can control, on your own journey of growth and self-discovery. To facilitate this process, consider journaling. Write down your thoughts and feelings. This act of externalizing your emotions can be incredibly cathartic, allowing you to process them more effectively. Incorporate mindfulness meditation into your daily routine. Mindfulness techniques help you observe your emotions without judgment, fostering a sense of detachment that reduces their power over you. Practice self-compassion. Treat yourself with the same kindness and understanding you would offer a close friend facing a similar situation. Remember, setbacks are a part of life. They don't define you. Finally, if necessary, set boundaries. Create distance from your ex and their new partner to allow yourself the space to heal and move forward. In essence, the Stoic approach isn't about suppressing your emotions or pretending everything is fine. It's about understanding them, managing them, and ultimately, transcending them. Remember the key principles. Focus on what you can control, cultivate virtue, accept what you cannot change, and challenge your assumptions. This is not about forgetting or forgiving, it's about freeing yourself from the grip of negative emotions and reclaiming your inner peace. Embrace this opportunity for growth, for self-discovery. You have the strength and resilience to navigate this, to emerge stronger and wiser on the other side. Reflect on your experiences, apply these principles to your life, and remember, you are capable of finding peace and happiness, even amidst heartbreak. The path to serenity is within your reach. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to receive more advice on love and relationships in the future. Don't forget to share this video with your friends so they can recognize these signs too.